Well, I'm here at the famous Dumaguete bell tower. Yeah, man, right there. Look at that bell tower. Okay. How about that? And the next hotel I'm going to is the one over there with the yellow part of it. I'll be staying at that one. Look at this traffic. Oh my lord. This looks like South Broadway on a Friday night. I'll tell ya. I'll tell you what I need is I need to go across the street to that 7-Eleven. Get me some juice, some water. But anyways, hey, yeah, I made it, man. I'm here, Dumaguete, famous bell tower. This is a real tourist spot, tourist attraction. This thing is ancient. It goes way back to when they were worried about pirates. Flag. Yep, discourage those Moros from those Moro Muslims from pilgrimage. What is this? I need a nap or something? Oh, we got some cooking going on over there. Look at this traffic. Talk about Broadway. Oh, look, there's a fitness center. Bob would like that. Oh, got the McDonald's drive-thru 24/7. Look at this beautiful old tree. I'm telling you. Look at this tree. It's a fantastic looking tree. Look how tall it is. Man, it's got to be old. Okay, GoPro, stop recording.